Is it time to buy or sell the SPY exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 17th of January, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.26. Now let's examine the performance of this ETF during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.77%. This results in an average return of 0.55% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and it is likely that further movements within this trend can be anticipated. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.94% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 0.795% to 4.6%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 22.85% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 17.15% and 27.54%. This corresponds to a price range of $699.98 to $762.03 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for SPY. The SPY ETF price gained nearly 1% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 17th of January, 2025. The price rose from $591.64 to $597.49. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by approximately 0.63%, with a day low of $595.61 and a day high of $599.36. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.2% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 22 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 54 million shares were bought and sold for around $32.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest price was $476.54. Currently, the price is 1.9%, or $11.57, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 has gained approximately 1%, reflecting a positive shift in market sentiment. This uptick follows a recent wave of investor pessimism, highlighted by a contrarian buy signal from the AII Sentiment Survey, suggesting a possible market rebound. Furthermore, a new poll indicates optimism regarding S&P 500 performance with Donald Trump's return to the presidency, which historically has correlated with market gains. However, the market does exhibit vulnerabilities, as evidenced by the decline in major stocks like Apple and Nvidia, contributing to the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index remaining in the fear zone. This highlights the market's mixed signals, making the climate tricky for short-term investors while presenting opportunities for those willing to embrace risk. In the long term, the combination of widespread pessimism, potential policy shifts under a Trump administration, and the ongoing performance of high-yield dividends could foster a bullish environment if investor confidence improves. Conversely, if bearish trends continue, particularly if the S&P 500 fails to remain above critical levels like 5,850, long-term growth may be stymied. Therefore, insights into market sentiment and economic indicators will be essential for gauging the potential trajectory in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support can be anticipated at $587.92 and $596.35. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10th, 2025, and thus far it has increased by 2.93%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Find support from accumulated volume at 590.83 cents. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $3.75 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.63%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.85%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $598.24. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $590.83. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $566.53, reflecting a decrease of 5.18%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom observed 5 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators appear positive, suggesting that the current level might present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 21st of January, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by a fraction of 34/10,000ths and begin trading at $597.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.